The badness can't done, heart me nah have none. We roll with Taurus. Paddle in front, me park up. I wait by end up if you go fucking corner.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you are check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications anytime we upload videos like these. You definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Yo, the badness can't done, heart me nah have none. We roll with Taurus. Paddle in front, me park up. I wait by end up if you go fucking corner.
In this video, we are going to talk about how Poor and Bossy, Magnum Kings and Queens winner Poor and Bossy, inform upon Tanto Blocks, and right now, Tanto Blocks is wanted by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We have a very clear footage of what took place at Boom Sundays last Sunday between Intence and Jahshii cousin, where it's alleged that Intence dash liquor in a Jahshii cousin face and box him down brawling around a Boom Sundays.
Yeah, clip them cannon, plus them tall up. Let the blood clash at you with tall mouth. Don't get drawn out, pussy me want you. Yeah.
So the music video you see a display on your screen from the review start, and the song you hear in the background is from an artist called Trap Skull, and he released a new song named Big Rifle. And it's produced by Slayebad Records and Murray Music. And people who know Slayebad already, him nah go produce nothing when it make sense. And Murray Music, them nah put out no foolinish. A matter of fact, you don't know that something they got already. Zin, so we are going to talk about the song here and the artist here before we go in at the little rare. Zin?
Yeah. Walk with big bumbo clock rifle right now. Fuck 5-0, everything raised like eyebrow. Yeah, my bin dark but me light brown. Me not carry fear, just live run.
Fully charge one charger way outside, you know. Chaddy TV. Nothing no funny about this. Bad man thing, you know that.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, Big Rifle, big song, bad song. You know what I mean? The thing what I like about that song, yeah, the artist definitely sound convincing. When you listen to that song, yeah, you're looking in your hand them for two big BBC rifle. Jano Star, I'm not telling a lie. Trap Skull, you definitely deliver on this song. And people, the music video match up with the song. Meaning say, the music video bad no BBC. I not talk the network.
So me open up your chest like cigar brain. Me chop a line dog by cup of key. More life take a more dopey gain. The killer them not shake like puppy tail.
The artist say, him open up your chest, then him dissect your brain. I know say, little money off in his badness. So him chop a line and then buy couple key. And then Chop Skull make him know say a be bad people in power with. And none of them bad people were in power with. None of them no shake like puppy tail. Me not tell a lie, bad 4 bars. If it's up to me alone, me gonna end up chat about that song in the entire review. So we are gonna go in at the mix up and then we'll listen some more at Chop Skull Big Rifle.
A normal pre if you're dead. From a word them a blood clot present. Binds man a send like message. Make you drink blood something like beverage. Walk with big bumbo clot rifle.
So people, day before yesterday, we see an article from the Jamaica Star. Say Poor and Bossy plead guilty for fraud charges. Now, yesterday, we see another article from the same Jamaica Star. And it read, Tanto Blocks wanted on fraud charges. So, it ring a bell. May I say, the two former Magnum Kings and Queens contestants, which we know as Tanto Blocks and Poor and Bossy are still good friends, wanted or one plead guilty from fraud charge yesterday. And then the next one wanted. Me I say no, that's the must connect. So me get fi understand say Poor and Bossy get well and him plead guilty and him inform upon Tanto Blocks. So basically what happened is Tanto Blocks gave Poor and Bossy $250 US for go change at one of them Cambio there. So Tanto Blocks go change the money, get the cash, I don't know if him forward back and split the money in a half, or I'm just give back Tanto Blacks the equivalent of the $250. Now, a month later, Tanto Blacks then gave Poor Ambosi 1,000 US for go change this time. 1,000 US in all $100 bills. Now, according to Poor Ambosi, Tanto Blacks gave him a seal envelope. So basically, he must say, him not take out nothing and him not put in nothing. Him just can't go get the cambio and change it. Now, both monies, and yes, I can say monies, that's the $250 and the $1,000 turn out to be fake, bearing all same serial number. The store owner made a report and you know say the police are put out a warrant for Poor Ambosi. Now Poor Ambosi go through immigration. Zine, like Poor Ambosi have a show over Trinidad or somewhere. I'm not 100% sure where the show there. But him go through immigration and them end up take him out of immigration line and lock him up. Now remember, a Poor Ambosi go do all of the face-to-face transaction. So Poor Ambosi name and face and everything them have on file for say him come change counterfeit money. So the police them just lock him up. So when them lock him up now, Poor Ambosi I say I never him you know I really Tanto Blacks. So right now that's why Tanto Blacks is wanted. One of the good things we come out of this door is that Poor Ambosi can still fly. The judge never take him travel documents and put a stop order upon him. Even though the judge did not go do that, you know. But then him start explain to the judge and say, yo, I'm bred and this and that. And the judge show a little lenient and say, yo, I'm gonna let you go in a good faith. Make sure say return to court when you're supposed to return to court. So people, I don't know, big scamming charge or no big fraud charge, even though technically a big charge that's still you know. But I just some counterfeit money, them go change. Leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. We're moving on. Now people, Safari supposed to get one of the biggest Y in the history of Y's. Now, Spice, me here say, hear me here, you know, people. Hear me here. Me here say Spice have a video over Twitter. And in that video, me here say she use a tape measure. Now one might say, Chaddy TV, mine go over there. No, me nearly go over there. And me not gonna tell a lie. But as me about to go over there, one of my sister beside me said, Chaddy, no what you do. Don't press that button and go over Twitter. Some would advise all of the gangster them say don't go over Twitter. But Safari a move shaky because Safari go over Twitter. And this is what Safari had to say about Spice and her tape. And Safari, as a man, you're not supposed to comment them thing there. It don't look good, me G. So now, Mrs. Safari make a tweet and say, Spice, you are insane. Cry face, cry face, cry face. Then a fire emoji. And then say, I am crying. Brother, that no look good, that sound why? And for the bulk of people who don't know what me I talk about, me not gonna be the one for tell you know. You probably can scroll up on Instagram and get a hint. You can probably follow me Instagram page and get a hint. Cause me definitely I gonna repost some of the meme them. But we now gonna talk about that something there. If you know, you know. I'll probably just look in the comment section. One of them woman there, we tell you now. We're moving on. So people, I finally get the full story of what really took place at Boom Sundays and leading up to the vlogger them I get the big suck your mother there from Idonia. So Idonia and Governor couldn't manage them entourage because it too big. 100 car roll out, 100 man roll out with them. Some man with them don't know, some man with them link up because about 4 different camp link up that day there. You have Intence camp, you have Governor camp, you have Idonia camp. And in the midst of all this, them in a Jahshii place. So you know say Jahshii camp I go there even though Jahshii is not present on the scene. But I in a film place, so the man them rate Jahshii, so them go there and defend Jahshii to the fullest. Now remember, even though all 4 artists are independent artists, but all of them rule under one law, are supposed to rule under one law, because the whole of them are linked. But even though the whole of them are linked, them still not really good based off of the little shufflings we go on at some fest. And you know, say like one camp must box the other camp member, which would have been Jahshii and Intence camp go at it. So the man them forward in a Jahshii place. Zine? So you know, say all a Jahshii thugs them I go there because a Jahshii place and nobody no expect Jahshii them forget this because a Jahshii place. Even Jahshii cause the people, a Jahshii cause get the box. Intence, something going with Jahshii and Intence cousin. Intence flash liquor in a Jahshii cousin face and then he swim a box. People, me not gonna really talk out the video. I just gonna play this clip what me get from Dancehall Passport. I'm gonna leave the channel link in the comment section below. Cause I want to go on over there and subscribe to them page. They're right there live on the scene.
And see if you don't want to deal with them the way you deal with them and talk to them. You know one phone call. You know one phone call. And good. Away. They good, no man, they good. Yo, no. They good. Yo, what they good, man? They good. Don't rap, what they good. They good. Yo, away, they good. Yo, they good. Yo, who them on them? Calm it down. Dog one, build down. Calm, build. Yeah man, they good, man. They good. Hurry. I did that talk to you know. They good, man. I did that talk to you know. Hurry. They calm. I did that talk to you. Yo, I did that talk to you. They calm. I did that talk to you, man. Hurry. Body in there. Yeah man. Bad Indian, forward, corner man, bad Indian, Lala, dog, Umbre, I saw it go man, Umbre, I want to put gangster there, I don't say it go, Umbre.
So after Diddy and Governor, I try calm down, you know, them entourage. About 1 million times here, Diddy say, yo, calm down, yo, Umbre, about Indian attack, yo, I did you talk to you, yo. I did you talk to you, no. I did you talk to you, no. I did you talk to you, no. Diddy can't even control him entourage, much less. And he want tell vlogger for go S out them mother. Because we are vlog where we want vlog. Oh yeah man.
When you can't record this and send this out, send me one voice and vlogger, that's talk your mother.
Hey, you know what's up on a big man level though? We job really hard. I mean, I gotta explain how hard it is. No, not one vlogger did there and tell the man them for war. No, immediately after the war, you know, immediately, he never wait till the next episode of Boom Sunday, which would have been the next Sunday, for the vlogger them vlog about it. But immediately after the war, the man gonna take the mic and say blogger and vlogger go S out them mother. Look on the time span, you know. Member said the war go on, and then like 3 minutes after, the man said the whole away forgot S out your mother. So are we make the man them war? Yo, it's not even like say yo the war go on and then we go vlog about it and then we get a essay brother. The war go on, see we upon the scene, the man give away a essay brother. Did it? Go easy, I remember this.
Walk with big bumbo clock rifle, yeah. Walk with big bumbo clock rifle right now. Fuck 5-0, everything raised like eyebrow, yeah.
People, don't forget to check out Big Rifle from Chop Skull, produced by Murray Music and Slaybad Music. And I don't know how I forget to mention earlier on in the review. The video is shot by God Visuals and Wolfie Visuals and edited by Connect Media. People, go and go check them out. And definitely go and go check out this music video. Big Rifle. But I tell a lie. I like that song. I'm matter of fact, I love that song. Let them know say a Chaddy Murray TV sending it over there. Alright? By just commenting in the comment section that over Chop Skull page. Big Rifle. Let them know that. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way, the wrong way. Down.
We roll with Taurus. Huddle in front, my park up. I wait by end up it to go fucking corner. Yeah, clip them cannon, plus them tall up. Get the blood clash at you with tall mouth. Top get drawn out, pussy me want you. Yeah. Walk with big bumbo claw rifle.